Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, as usual, which I daily do. So first of all, take a look at the news, and we are not having any high impact news. So most likely, I'm anticipating the price to be less volatile today. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the price a bullish push. So currently we are into the sideways into the monthly levels. So let's move to the weeklies directly. This is the weekly chart we are having, and this is the order flow which is being maintained by the market. We are also having equal highs. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the either side, but I guess we are having a gap up today. So we have also swept this swing. So this is a strong low for us. So I'll be waiting for the price to move into the upside direction, take this high, and then possibly show a downward direction reaction. So there is nothing more to say into the weeklies. Let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart, and I'm not pretty much sure that in which direction the price is going to move. So I'll be directly moving to 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and this is the demand to supply flip zone. So that is supply to demand flip zone. That is, the price was moving into the downward direction, and the bullish uh, state of the market, or the bulls, took this area which was under the control of the bears. So yeah, more of the story of the animals. So here we have seen that the price reacted from this zone and moved into the upside direction. So what do we have right now is this strong high. So if this strong high is being breached by the market, most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction till this level. But if not, if we are going to move into the downward direction, disrespecting this level, most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. So what do we have now is this high is still not breached by the market. So I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 30 minutes directly. This is the 30-minute chart, and we are having equal highs at this level. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and react from this high and then move into the either side. So for now, the Asia session is still not clear that in which direction the market is going to go. So most likely I'll be waiting for the market to give a clear bias into the charts, and then only I'll be trading. Otherwise, currently I see market trapped in a zone right now. So for now, I won't be trading today. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.